Alright folks, we got a Stomper 600 HD-HG repair review. We had to drop some new funnels and resistors in this baby. I think it got overdrove a little bit. We're going to start out the radio drive, 5-volt reverse. Worldwide, donkey stomper. Input tune, radio driven. Worldwide. 1,000 slug, average power, radio drive. Worldwide, donkey stomper. Close 200 average. 1,000 slug, PP. Worldwide, 350 DP. Go over and hit the driver, which y'all know the driver, 200 feet. Oh, y'all are running 14.8. Alright, let's look at the 5-watt reverse. Driven. Worldwide, less than half a watt. 1,000 slug, average power, driven. Worldwide, talking 500 average. Wilson about 600. 1,000 slug peak. Worldwide, go down. Early 2,500 watt slug, PUP. Worldwide, don't use them. Worldwide. 5,000 watts out of the bunny. Worldwide, 14.8. Worldwide, go down. Of course, that's a little tighter meter. She's doing that deal. We got it all fixed, ready to go. Just want to show you she's working. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Go for an 10. 018 Catch you later.